English. Male voice, ecological storytelling. Squirrel monkeys of the Amazon. Secrets of the smartest small primates. The squirrel monkeys of the Amazon rainforest. Masters of social life in the jungle canopy. The canopy dwellers with 1,000 eyes. High in the emerald towers of the Amazon rainforest, where sunlight filters through a ceiling of vines and leaves, a flicker of motion draws the eye. A quick blur, then another. Suddenly, the forest canopy bursts to life with rustling leaves, echoing chirps, and tiny figures leaping from branch to branch with gymnastic grace. You've just stumbled upon one of the most socially intricate creatures in the Amazon, the squirrel monkey, Cimeri sciurus. Squirrel monkeys are more than just charming residents of the rainforest. They are essential players in the ecosystem, navigating an intense daily routine of survival, communication, foraging, and interaction. With their massive troops, complex calls, and expressive faces, these small primates demonstrate a level of social sophistication that rivals even the great apes. This document offers an in-depth exploration of their biology, behavior, environment, and survival strategies, providing insight into a world rarely seen by human eyes, but filled with critical ecological significance. English. Classification and physical description. Scientific name, Cimeri sciurus. Common name, squirrel monkey. Order, Primates. Family, Cebidae. Squirrel monkeys are among the most recognizable New World primates thanks to their distinct features. Short, sleek fur, white masks surrounding bright, inquisitive eyes, and long tails used for balance. Despite being tiny, only 25 to 35 centimeters long, excluding the tail, they carry enormous energy and intelligence. Their tails, longer than their bodies, are non-prehensile, but serve as vital counterweights during rapid movement through branches. They weigh between 750 to 1,100 grams, about the same as a pineapple, and possess one of the highest brain-to-body mass ratios of any primate, including humans. This has led scientists to suspect an especially developed cognitive toolkit in squirrel monkeys, particularly in social awareness and memory. English, male voice, ecological storytelling. Distribution and habitat. Squirrel monkeys inhabit a wide swath of South America, particularly in Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Bolivia. They are rainforest generalists and can be found in both terra firm, non-flooded forests, and varzea, seasonally flooded areas. Their home lies in the middle and upper layers of the canopy, rarely descending to the ground where predators lurk. What makes their habitats ideal is the density of food-bearing plants and the vertical complexity of the forest, allowing them to use their agility to full advantage. English. Social structure and group dynamics. Squirrel monkeys are famously gregarious. Troops can range from 30 to over 500 individuals, making them among the most populous primate groups in the animal kingdom. Their societies are dynamic and fluid, composed of mothers with offspring, mature males, often loosely associated, adolescents learning the ropes, scouts, and foragers. This structure gives them a tactical edge, many eyes to watch for predators, better foraging success, and constant social learning. However, such density comes with challenges, conflicts, competition for mates, and social stress. These are managed through complex vocal communication, body language, and even set marking. Despite their small size, squirrel monkeys are among the most vocal primates. Their communication includes warning calls, sharp chirps when predators are spotted, reunion calls to locate other group members, mating calls, agitation squeaks during conflicts, infant distress sounds. Their vocal range exceeds 25 distinct calls, many of which are modulated with context and urgency. In addition to sound, they use facial expressions, tail flicks, and body posture to express dominance, submission, interest, or threat. Ecological storytelling. Squirrel monkeys are omnivores, consuming a varied diet of fruits, figs, guavas, and berries, insects, beetles, caterpillars, ants, small vertebrates, lizards, frogs, eggs, flowers, nectar, and seeds. They forage in waves, with scouts in the front and mothers in the center of the troop. Their sharp vision and tactile sensitivity make them skilled hunters of small prey. This balanced diet is not only nutritious, but also plays a key ecological role, as they pollinate flowers while feeding, spread seeds through their droppings, aiding rainforest regeneration. Ecological storytelling. Reproduction and parental care. Squirrel monkeys have a seasonal breeding cycle, usually timed with the beginning of the rainy season, January-March. Key facts include gestation period 150 to 170 days. Offspring per birth, typically 1, occasionally 2. Mothering. The mother is solely responsible for care. Infants cling to her back for weeks. Infants begin to explore on their own at around 5 weeks, but continue to nurse and learn social behaviors for months. Young monkeys learn essential life skills by observing adults, including foraging, grooming, and navigation. Ecological storytelling. Squirrel monkeys excel in spatial memory, tool experimentation, and pattern recognition. In captivity, they've been observed solving puzzles, recognizing symbols, following instructions for rewards. These behaviors support theories that their large group sizes and unpredictable forest environments have selected for higher cognitive ability. Ecological storytelling. Role in the ecosystem. Squirrel monkeys are more than forest inhabitants. They are forest engineers. Seed dispersers. They defecate seeds far from parent trees, supporting plant biodiversity. Insect regulators. Their appetite for bugs helps balance insect populations. Prey base. They are food for larger predators like harpy eagles, snakes, and wildcats, thus contributing to the food web. Their massive movements through trees also affect canopy structure, shaking pollen loose and stimulating fruit drop. Threats and conservation status. While not critically endangered, squirrel monkeys face growing challenges. Primary threats: deforestation. Logging, agriculture, and mining are destroying habitats. Illegal pet trade. Their small size and cuteness make them prime targets. Climate change alters rainfall cycles and food availability. Conservation status. IUCN Red List, least concern, but local populations may be at risk. Protected areas. Many live within Amazon national parks and biosphere reserves. Conservation efforts. Reforestation initiatives. Ecotourism and education. Wildlife trafficking laws. Ecological storytelling. Squirrel monkeys have been central to neuroscience and behavioral studies, though this has been controversial. In the wild, They are becoming an attraction for eco-tourists, especially in Peru and Brazil, helping to fund local conservation. They are also key players in indigenous folklore, often seen as messengers between the forest spirits and the human world. The jungle echoes continue. As the troop of squirrel monkeys disappears into the tangled green, their chatter slowly fading into the thick air, one sound replaces another. A long, low, haunting call that vibrates through the forest like a ghost in the mist. That sound belongs to the howler monkey, Alouatta spp, the next subject of our journey. In our upcoming exploration, we'll follow these deep-voiced primates through the treetops and discover how their thunderous howls are more than noise. They're a complex language of territory, love, and survival. Join us as we uncover the life of a creature whose voice defines the soul of the Amazon.